This is a Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the app gallery, then at the search bar input the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, tap at the install button in order to get the app downloaded and installed respectively. So we'll do exactly that and wait for the app, to download itself. Then launch the app once it is ready, and when you open or launch the Opera for the first time, you are going to need to perform a very simple initial system setup. So firstly, tap at this blue continue button, then decide if you would like to set Opera as your default browser or perhaps skip this step. And finally, you can either customize the data collection preferences or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the Opera. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.